All right, so I just got the Magic Hover Ball Wonder Sphere that I saw at Home Depot, and this thing was 14 bucks, probably 15 bucks with tax. And this is it right here. And so we're going to go ahead and open it up and see if this is any different than the one that I got last year. All right, I got it. I got the Wonder Sphere out of its packaging. Jesus, Mary and Joseph, that was a pain in the butt. All right, so you need your own block, so let's put that in there. And then we got to plug this right in there. All right, so if you look on here, you're going to see there's like a little charging port there. So you got to kind of get this even, and then you're going to look at your cord like this, and you want to have that curve to the back, right? So we want to bring it in like this. So I'm just going to bring it in, shift it in there, and push it. And it should just, bam, should go in. And once I do that, you should see some red lights in there. You see that? Now we're ready to go. Now we can just set her right there and let her charge. Bam, Bob's your uncle. And you can see it does say up right there. So that's the upside for later. What do you know when it's charged?
That ball thing?
You get a green light. It's a magic sphere ball.
What does it do?
It flies. It's a drone.
Oh.
All right, let's do it. Just gotta unplug it. Done. Unplug this. So we don't want to leave this thing in there, sucking watts up. We'll leave that there because we may need that. If you look on the very top here, you're going to see a little button right there. You're going to press that and these little LED lights are going to come on. Now it's ready to go. So this is the upside. Or maybe we have to turn it this way and shake it. Upside. So there it goes. Check it out. All right, so once you got it rolling like this, you turn it off, you turn it over, shake it. And then if you want to turn it completely off, you got to come up here and press this button and it turns off the LED lights. Right there. Bam, done. Bob's your uncle.